This is how my father do its paterol. Siyempre, tablea. May konting cacao powder. And ideally, grounded peanuts. Pero ito, peanut butter. Masyadong matamis ito eh. From Pasitas, Valerian. And then, prepare mo lang yung mga tablea. Inurog ko na. 2 of this of the cacao powder. I use oat milk. The best is Carabao's milk or fresh milk. Init ng konting tubig para just to dilute the tablea. Habang pinaprepare mo yung mga powders, iinit mo na yung milk. At hindi siya paterol pag wala itong pang terol. So, pour mo yung konting tubig just to dilute the tablea. Konting-konti lang. Yan. To add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter para yung peanut taste. Hindi baterol pag walang lasang manik. Yan, mix ko yan. Siyempre, tagal yan. With the little help of technology. Frotter pala siya, frotter. Add your peanut butter. Sabi ko kanina 2 tablespoons. Yan. Another tablespoon. Yan yung magbibigay ng flavor ng peanut. Medyo matagal lang magpakulo ng milk. Ano kasi, kapal nito eh. Cast iron yan eh. Na mainit na pero hindi pa kumukulo. Ito na po yung mixture natin. Waiting. Mainit to. Don't forget to protect your hands. So, kumulo na yung tubig, yung milk. So, I'll put the chocolate. Yan, ganyan lang. Then, wait for it to simmer. Stir ng konti. Paterol is the espresso of chocolate. Ang purpose lang nito is to froth. That's it. Ready to serve. Talagang matamis ng konti, I add muscovado sugar. This is how you serve the paterol. Kasama yung lalagyan. The paterol. And pour out with the froth. Next cup, fold it out, serve it with the froth. Lagay ko kung Carabao's milk to mas mabula. Enjoy!